You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Hey guys, it's Matt from CrewTDG, and today we have a very, very important day ahead. Now, this is the day we will be trying to pass technical inspection for my drift car. We may not pass it, there are a couple of things that are a bit iffy, but all in all I think we'll be doing good, and we will definitely take you through the process as well. So, let's get started.
My promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
Okay, so we're standing in the row for the tech inspection. The windshield washers died. We spent about an hour to fix them. One of them works. That should be enough. I'm really hoping that the panel is going to keep on working, because it seems to shut down now and then, unless I start banging on it. We're going to enter the garage next. I'm super nervous. I feel like I'm about to faint. I've been awake for far too much, and I really hope this is going to end with success. Wish me good luck. Hey, so we failed the first attempt of the technical inspection. The car was a bit too loud, which to be fair didn't really surprise me. The handbrake was a bit too weak, and there were a couple of issues with the paperwork and 2 dead bushings, I believe. So we will get that replaced and try again. Hey, so here we are again, attempt number 2. All the paperwork is fixed, the car is technically fixed, apart from the dashboard, that works like 30% of the time, so we're taking a bit of a gamble, but I think we should be good. I said the same thing last time, but I'm ready to attempt it. So wish me good luck, and I'll see you straight after the inspection. So we have successfully passed the technical inspection, which means all that's left is to throw some drift parts onto the car, vinyl wrap it, and well, enjoy the season.